Hello, good morning, and this is my day 176. So, upon looking at the video, I realized, or after watching this video, that I am currently, or I have finished not this video because this is not the one. I'm just watching a video or a video essay about Hibikayoponium. I'm still learning and experiencing the finale of that anime, and what I can say is that I really love how other people see the series as a whole, what are the progressions of the characters and how they feel throughout the journey on the different seasons. And I would say that a bunch of it was a bit similar to mine, especially that I like season 1 compared to what the general consensus is that season 2 was the moment that it becomes better. But I think there are moments that it becomes too dramatic, at least for my taste, and the season 1 gave the overall good, or they make the whole story beautiful. And also I realized that there are a lot of things that I have or I can improve, especially when I am speaking in video. And one of the things is that my sudden pause or my train of thoughts is different. I tend to speak the thoughts that I have before I say it or think about it, so that I have many pauses, especially right now. I have a lot of things that I can improve it to, and one of the things is thinking what are the things that I want to say first, and then before actually putting it out there. And it's harder than it seems like because my brain is organized into thinking first the first thing and then blow by blow, or providing another or additional information. And I'm also anxious about the time, the pauses that I have. I feel like I am pausing for no reason at all, but I need to be confident about that. And also, I did try to do it. I pause, I think about it, but when I say it, I am still speaking or saying different than what I was thinking. And yeah, I will just focus on pausing.